Hey everyone, it's Lauren from Cricut, and I'm here to answer some of your top questions about the Cricut Maker machine. Specifically, what concerns you might have, is it the right machine for you, and to show you some of the features. For any of you that are new to smart cutting machines are great tools to customize all kinds of things in your life. From custom cards, to t-shirts, to decals, you can really make anything with this machine. The Cricut Maker is our top-of-the-line machine, and the reason it's top of the line is because you can actually use more tools to make more projects. It has more power than some of our other machines, and it also can cut more materials. When you get a Cricut Maker for the first time, it comes with the machine. You get two tools, the rotary blade and the fine point blade. You get two mats, the fabric grip mat and the light grip mat. It comes with everything to get set up, as well as a project right out of the box. The Cricut Maker is great even for beginners, because if you're someone who wants to try simpler projects with paper or iron-on or vinyl, but then ultimately try fabric and leather and wood, this machine can cut all of those materials and so much more, so it's really worth the investment. The Cricut Maker, like all of our machines, is run by an app called Design Space. We've designed the app to be simple to use. You can access it on your computer or on your mobile device. And in the app, you can upload your own images, or you can access our library of images and ready-to-make projects so you can try your hand at a lot of different types of projects. Like with any software, there's definitely things you're going to have to learn, but we have tried to make it simple for you so you can try and learn lots of different things. What makes Cricut Maker different than our other machines is that it can cut more materials with more tools. So you can interchange your tools to use things like the knife blade to cut denser materials like balsa wood and leather. You can use the rotary blade to cut fabric and thin papers. You can also use the engraving tool to engrave different products and different materials. So there's just more you can do with this machine that you can't do with our other machines. Project possibilities are honestly endless. Anything you can think of, you can make it with this machine. You can make custom cards, decals, you can do t-shirts, but you can do even more than that, like making leather earrings. You could make balsa wood structures like a dollhouse. You could do custom bags with fabric. I mean, you can even cut lace on this machine, which is really, really amazing. So the possibilities are endless, and once you get started, it's going to open up your imagination.